Hey everyone, this video is just for you. So watch the complete video. Let's get started. In this video, we'll talk about vitamins. Before vitamins, let me tell about nutrients. The food that we eat contains different substances which help our body to grow well and fight against diseases. These substances are called nutrients. There are different types of nutrients such as vitamins, protein, fats, carbohydrate, minerals. Let's look at the first nutrient called vitamins. Nutrients that our body does not make on its own. So we have to eat them or we can obtain them from by vitamin supplements, and they are essential for providing good health and are necessary for many life functions. You heard the term supplements. So what is supplement? Supplement is a synthetic or natural substance which can be purchased as a pills, tablets, capsule, wafer powder or liquids. Vitamins are classified as fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E and K, and water-soluble vitamins B and C. And this differences between the two groups is very important. It determines how each vitamin acts within the body. Fat-soluble are stored in the liver and fatty tissues. These are not readily excreted from the body. Water-soluble vitamins travel in the blood and are stored in limited amounts. These are readily excreted from the body through urine. As you can see, there are different types of vitamins: vitamin A, B, C, D, E and K. Let's talk about vitamin A. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin. It is also known as retinol because it produces the pigment in the retina of the eye. It is one of the most active usable form of vitamin. It found in animal and plant sources. Physiologic functions of vitamin A. It helps in vision, generates pigment for the retina, maintains surface lining of the eyes. It helps in bone growth. It helps in reproduction. It helps in cell division and differentiation. It maintains healthy skin. It also regulates immune system. Sources of the vitamin A: animal sources and plant sources. Animal sources are eggs, meat, cheese, milk, and fish oil. Plant sources are carrots, apricots, pumpkin, and sweet potatoes, etc. Second is vitamin B, and it's vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 is also known as thiamine. It is important in producing energy from carbohydrates, proper nerve function, stabilizing the appetite, ATP production, and it's also promoting growth and muscle tone. Vitamin B2. Vitamin B2 is also known as riboflavin. It is important in energy production. It helps in carbohydrate, fat, and protein metabolism. It helps in formation of antibodies and red blood cells. It helps in cell respiration. It helps in maintenance of good vision, skin, nails, and hair. It helps in alleviating eye fatigue. Vitamin B3. Vitamin B3 is also known as niacinamide and niacin. It is important in energy production, maintenance of skin and tongue, improves circulation, maintenance of nervous system, health of the digestive tract. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is also known as pyridoxine. It is important in production of red blood cells. It helps in conversion of tryptophan to niacin. It provides immunity. It helps in nervous system function. It's also reducing muscle spasm, cramps and numbness. It also maintaining proper balance of sodium and phosphorus in the body. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is also known as Cobalamin. It is important in proper nerve function. It helps in production of red blood cells, metabolizing fats and proteins. It helps in prevention of anemia. It helps in DNA reproduction. It helps in energy production too. Now, vitamin A. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin. It acts as an antioxidant. It helps in reducing energy of the free radical, stop the free radical from forming in the first place. It helps in interrupt an oxidizing chain reaction to minimize the damage of free radicals. Physiologic function of vitamin E protects cell membranes and other fat-soluble parts of the body like LDL cholesterol. LDL stands for low density lipoproteins. From oxidation may reduce the risk of heart disease. It may also discourage development of some types of cancer. It promotes normal growth and development. It promotes normal red blood cell formation, acts as an anti-blood clotting agent. It plays some role in the body's ability to process glucose. Also been known to aid the process of wound healing. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin. It is also known as ascorbic acid. It acts as an antioxidant. Physiologic function of vitamin C. It protects our body from free radicals. It helps to form connective tissue that hold our bones, muscles and tissue together. Aids in the healing of wounds. Aids the body in absorbing iron from plant sources. It helps to keep your gums healthy. It helps our body to fight infections. It aids in the prevention of heart disease. It helps to prevent some form of cancer. Thank you. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is a group of sterol commonly found in animals. There are two active forms of vitamin D. First one is D3, ergosterol. Ergosterol is a plant sterol that is converted into vitamin D by ultraviolet radiation. Second one is D37 dehydroxycholesterol. Physiologic functions of vitamin D. It increases the absorption of calcium and phosphorus. It increases the calcification of bones in children and adults. So it is essential for the development of bones and normal growth of body. It increases the excretion of phosphate by kidney and helps in lowering of serum phosphate concentration. It increases the citrate levels of blood, bone, kidney and heart tissues. Vitamin K. Vitamin K is a fat-soluble vitamin. There are two types of vitamin K. First one is vitamin K1. Second one is vitamin K2. Physiologic function of vitamin K are: vitamin K catalyzes the synthesis of prothrombin by the liver. It reduces the prothrombin time. It regulates the synthesis of plasma clotting factor. It involves in the maintenance of normal level of blood clotting factor 2nd, 7th, 9th and 10th.